welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty highlighted water wave wig unit sent from WavyMy hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. This is also a 100% glueless wig unit, so if you are into glueless wigs and you wanted to try out some color or looking for a wig that has some color, not too much going on with it, this wig may definitely be for you. So I'm just going to start off with the unboxing of this hair, packaging, and also I'm gonna let you guys know that this is my very first time working with WavyMy hair. So again, thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. I just wanted to bring in a couple of new hair companies in 2024 just to try out some different wigs and different quality from other brands. So this wig unit came with all of the hair essentials along with some informational cards, you guys, and I'm just going to show you guys the inside of the wig cap. So showing you guys the cap construction because I just think that is really important to show. So this is actually like a wear go wig. So because it's 100% glueless, this one only comes with a detachable elastic band. As you guys could see, there's no combs and there's no built-in elastic band or adjustable strap along the nape. So all you really need is this elastic band, you guys, because this one actually fit really snug on my head. And as you guys could see, it's already like looking really good on my head, and all I did was literally plop it on. So I do want to jump into the specs of this wig unit. This is a 6x4 lace closure wig in a water wave texture. She's also in 26 inches and she is highlighted all throughout this entire wig, you guys. So if you guys were a little confused on the color, this is a 1B wig unit and they literally just took the bleach and like highlighted some streaks throughout. That's it. That's all. I don't want to confuse you guys with the color. It is not different tones or anything like that. It's just honey blonde in my opinion. So this wig unit also comes pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. However, I do think that you can definitely go in and tweak it and make it your own. We all have our different face structures and things of that such, so I would definitely recommend you guys just make the wig your own. Don't just plop it on, just kind of make it look good. However, this definitely has a really good guide to a really good wig install, glueless wig install at that. So I do want to talk to you guys about the things that I did before I came on to do this hair video. So I did go in and bleach the knots a little bit more. I left it on for about 5 to 7 minutes and I did use 30 volume developer. I just felt like it didn't come completely bleached. So yeah, I also did go in and tint the lace with my foundation, and I curl defined as well using no product. A lot of you guys question, why does my hair always look really different from other hair videos, or why does my hair look fluffy and airy, and you know, all of these questions. All of these comments, and it's because I don't use product in my hair. I never use product in my hair. I like the natural luster of the hair, so I don't use product in it. Product weighs down your hair. However, if that's the look that you're going for, by all means use product. But if you are looking for fluffy, voluminous hair, you do not need to use any product. All I use is water, and I use a curl defining brush, and I just curl define it and let it air dry. That's it. That's all. I don't do anything else to my hair. So hopefully that's like a quick little tip. I try to put that in my videos, my curly hair videos, but sometimes it gets missed. So anyways, when it comes to the actual like curl pattern, you guys, it's a water wave texture, but it actually has a curl pattern to it. It's not too coily, and I like that. This is actually like a water wave texture that I actually like, because sometimes I feel like these water wave textures could be a little like there's barely no wave to it, and I hate that. But I actually really do like this curl pattern with this hair company, and I also do love the quality of the hair as well, especially for it to be my very first time working with this brand. I do think that they have really good quality hair, because I didn't have any issues with curl defining, tangling, or shedding, you guys. So yeah, and also if I did not say, this wig definitely comes pre-parted as well, so it comes parted on the left side, you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is really a really quick install, you guys, like really quick. Had no issues, And that's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think of the pre-highlighted wig unit. It's also glueless. I think this is also my first wig that's glueless and that has color, if I'm not mistaken. I just feel like I reviewed so many wigs a lot. But anyways, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this play out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.